In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply coupon code in Rapido. If you want to save a little on your next ride, applying a coupon in Rapido is quick and straightforward. Start by opening the Rapido app on your phone or head to the Rapido website in your browser. Once you're in, begin your booking as you normally would. Enter your pickup location and your drop location carefully so the route is accurate. Take a second to confirm the pins are placed correctly on the map. Getting this right helps you see the correct fare estimate and available offers. Next, choose the type of ride you want. Rapido usually lets you pick between bike, auto, or cab. Pick what suits your trip best. Bikes are often the fastest and most economical for solo riders. Autos give you a bit more space, and cabs provide extra comfort. Your choice can sometimes influence which offers are available, since certain promos may apply only to specific ride types. Now look for the place to add your discount on the booking or payment screen. Depending on your version, it might be labeled Apply Coupon, Promo Code, or Offers. You'll typically find it near the fare details or just before you choose a payment method. Tap that option to open the coupon section. Here you have two ways to save. You can manually enter a coupon code you already have, or you can select an available offer shown by Rapido. If you're typing a code, enter it exactly as given. Watch out for extra spaces and be mindful of case sensitivity, since some codes require exact letters and numbers. If you're browsing offers, check the small print on each one. Many promos have conditions such as city restrictions, a minimum fare, a specific ride category, or eligibility limited to first-time users. Once your code or offer is selected, tap Apply. The app or website will validate it right away. You should see the discount reflected on the fare breakdown before you confirm the ride, usually as a reduced total or a line showing the amount saved. If you don't see the discount, it likely didn't apply. Double-check the code's spelling and make sure it hasn't expired or exceeded its usage limit. The key is to confirm that the discount appears before you finalize the booking. After that, you're good to go. That's it. Open Rapido, set your pickup and drop, choose your ride type, tap Apply Coupon, promo code, or offers. Add or select your discount, apply it, and verify the reduced fare before confirming. Enjoy your ride and your savings.